Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 222. If we start with this column, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 7, 8. For this row now, we're missing a 2. For this row, we're missing a 6. And for this box, we're missing a 5. For this top row, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here, 7 here, so this is our 2. That 3 makes this our 7, 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got 5 here and 9 here, so this is our 2. 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box now, we're just missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 4 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 6 here, so this is our 4, 6. For this box now, we're just missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 3 and 4. I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. Oh, and this 2 makes this our 6, 2. For this box now, we're just missing a 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. So I am hoping that we can just plug numbers in and it'll work out. So if we make this our 3, this would be our 4, 6, 3, 6, and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.